Is your Apple Watch stuck on the locked to owner screen? And no matter what you do, it just won't let you finish the setup? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. This usually happens because the device is still connected to an Apple ID through something called activation lock. It's a security feature designed by Apple to protect the original owner, which means even after resetting the watch, it can still ask for the original Apple ID and password. But here's the important part. There are real ways to deal with this situation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the IBF Tools channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several legit, safe, and practical methods that can help you regain access to your Apple Watch, depending on your situation. Before we jump in, a quick but important note. This video is intended for legal device owners only. Trying to remove activation lock on a device that isn't yours or without permission can violate laws and policies. Alright, let's get into the solutions. Solution 1. Properly unpair the Apple Watch. The most direct and official way to remove activation lock is by unpairing the watch from the iPhone it was originally connected to. Here's how. Open the Watch app on the iPhone, go to My Watch, arrow tap, All Watches arrow, select your device arrow and choose Unpair Apple Watch. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Once you confirm, the watch will automatically be removed from your account, and the lock will be cleared. Now, if the watch was reset directly from the device instead of being unpaired, the lock will still remain. In that case, you can go to Find My, select the Apple Watch, and tap Remove from Account. Solution 2. Ask the previous owner to remove it. If you bought the Apple Watch secondhand, this is very important. The previous owner needs to remove the device from their Apple ID. Without that step, activation lock will stay active, no matter what. They can do this remotely by going to account.apple.com, signing in, opening the Devices section, selecting the Apple Watch, and choosing Remove from Account. Once that's done, the watch becomes fully usable again. Solution 3. Recover your Apple ID password. If the Apple ID on the watch is actually yours, but you forgot the password, don't worry. Go to iforgot.apple.com and follow Apple's official recovery process. After verifying your identity and resetting your password, you'll be able to sign in and continue setup normally. If recovery doesn't work, don't worry. We still have more options. Solution 4. Contact Apple support. This is the most official and permanent solution. If you have proof that the device belongs to you, like a purchase receipt with a serial number, Apple support may be able to remove the activation lock for you. Just contact them, provide the required documents, and they'll guide you through the process. It may take some time, but it's the safest route. Solution 5. IBF tool. Now, if you're dealing with a more complicated situation, like missing account access or a device that's stuck in between steps, tools like IBF tool were designed to simplify that process. You install it on your computer, connect your device, choose the correct model and version, and follow the guided steps. The idea behind IBF tool is to provide a structured, step-by-step workflow so users don't have to deal with complicated manual procedures. It supports Apple Watch, iPhone, and iPad on both Windows and macOS, making it accessible for most users. The goal here is not to bypass security, but to help legitimate users recover access in a more straightforward way. And that's it. These are some of the most effective ways to deal with an Apple Watch stuck on locked to owner. The best method really depends on your situation, whether you have access to the account, the previous owner, or proof of purchase. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and comment below which method worked for you. I'd love to know. And if you're still stuck, feel free to reach out using the contact details in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.